Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Realme Buds Q2S with any Windows PC or laptop. So to do this, you have to open this charging case and remember to disconnect these earbuds from any previously connected devices. And right now you have to just keep that case open and put it close to your Windows computer, then open the settings. Go to the left side to the Bluetooth and devices, and right now you have to select the Bluetooth with the switcher to turn it on, select to add device and click on the Bluetooth. Select your Realme Buds Q2S from the list, and when you are successfully connected, you have to also go for the system sound settings and manually switch to get microphone of your Realme Buds. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.